こんにちは、先輩たち。Welcome back to my channel. 私は Jessica Senpai です。よろしくお願いします。So for today's topic, we have part 2 ng counters using Japanese language. So in order for me to elaborate this topic, I will proceed to my presentation. Konnichiwa again, Senpai. So for today, we have the second part of counters using Japanese language. So, first we have the floors of a building, second, machine and vehicles, third, age, fourth is the books and notebooks, and last is for the drink and cup and glass. So, hindi ito yung magiging last natin video for the counters. We still have another video for next week. Yeah, okay. So, let's start for floors of a building. So, ano nga bang meron? So, kung mapapansin nyo, the same lang din siya ng basa dun sa frequency yung ating kai. But, ang pinagkaiba lang nila dito is yung third. Sa third floor. Ang basa sa kanya is sanggay. Sanggay. So, basahin natin from 1 from the first floor, we have ikai. Second floor is nikai. Third floor is sangai. Fourth floor, yongkai. Fifth floor, gokai. Sixth floor, rokkai. Seventh floor, nanakai. Eighth floor, hakkai. Ninth floor, kyukai. And 10th floor is jukai. So, ang interrogative din natin dito is nankai. Okay? Sige. We have the machines and vehicles. Sa machines and vehicles, yung isa or one is ichidai. So, kung mapapansin niyo, wala tayong highlight because putso lang din lahat ng numbers dito. And all you have to do is to add dai. So, madali lang siyang i-memorize. Okay? So, I have 1, ichidai. 2 is nidai. 3 is sangdai. 4 is yongdai. 5 is godai. 6 is rokudai. 7 is nanadai. 8 is hachidai. 9 is kyudai. 10 is judai. Okay, so ang interrogative natin is nan-dai. Sige, we have the age. Sa age, medyo familiar na siguro kayo, but isama na rin natin. So, ang 1-year-old is isai. Isai. 2 years old is nisai. 3 years old is sangsai. 4 years old is yongsai. 5 years old is gosai. 6 years old is rokusai, 7 years old is nanasai, and 8 years old is hasai. 9 is kyusai, 10 is jusai. Interrogative natin is nansai. Next, we have the books and notebooks. Okay. So, ang basa naman sa counters ng books is satsu. Satsu. Okay? Special natin dito is 1, 8, and 10. So, 1 is isatsu. Isatsu. 2 is nisatsu. 3 is sangsatsu. 4 is yongsatsu. 5 is gosatsu. 6 is rokusatsu. 7 is nanasatsu. 8 is hasatsu. 9 is kyusatsu, 10 is jusatsu. Ang interrogative natin is nansatsu. Okay, next. We have a drink in a cup or glass. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na special. So, almost kalahati. Okay. So, from 1 is ipay, 2 is nihai, 3 is sangbay, 4 is yonghai, 5 is gohai, 6 is roppai, 7 is nanappai, 6 is happai, 9 is kyuhai, 10 is juppai. And interrogative natin is nanbai. Hi! That will be all for your day, Senpai. Thank you for watching on this video. Sana may natutunan kayo, and if you like this video, you can share it with your friends na nag-aaral ng Japanese language. Genbati kodasai. Mata ne!